morning, students. Welcome to English online class. This is Manigandan. Last class we have seen rule number 2, condition positive. Today we are going to see rule number 3, condition negative. In this rule, all the sentences are based on only negative sense, negative meanings. That is condition negative. Let us see the rules. Simple sentence phrases in case of or in the event of. I said in previous rule, in case of, in the event of are both giving same meaning. So in case of, in the event of plus possessive adjective plus not plus verb plus ing. In the previous rule we won't use not, but in this rule we have to use not. Not plus verb plus ing. Verb plus ing in the sense non-finite verb. So we can use either in case of or in the event of. Compound sentence, the coordinating conjunctions are or, otherwise, or else. Or, otherwise, or else. When you write compound sentence, you have to use must or should in the sentence. Compulsory. Complex sentence, subordinating conjunctions are unless or if not. If not in the sense do not and does not. So according to the subject we have to use do not or does not. Because in this rule maximum present tense and future tense. Let us see the example 1. In case of you are not providing goods, I will not pay. In case of you are not providing goods, I will not pay. In case of is there, your, it is a possessive adjective, then not finite, non-finite verb providing goods. I will not pay. So this is simple sentence. In case of you are not providing goods, I will not pay. Simple sentence. The meaning is negative. When you change into compound sentence, you must provide goods. I said compound sentence means you have to use either must or should compulsory. So you must provide goods or else I will not pay. This is compound sentence. Complex sentence, there are two types. Unless type, another one is if not. You can use either unless or if not. Unless you provide goods, I will not pay. This is one format. Unless you provide goods, I will not pay. Or if you don't provide goods, I will not pay. If you don't provide goods, I will not pay. You can use two methods. One is unless, another one is if not. Why we have used don't here? Because the subject is second person, you. So I, we, you, they and all we have to use don't. He, she, it we have to use does not. Can you understand? I, we, you, they we can use don't. He, she, it we have to use does not. Because it is present tense. So complex sentence, to format. Unless you provide goods, I will not pay. If you don't provide goods, I will not pay. Second sentence, unless you study well, you will never understand trigonometry. Unless. So it is complex sentence. Unless you study well, you will never understand trigonometry. That is complex sentence because subordinating conjunction unless it is there. How do you change into compound sentence? You must study well because compound sentence we have to use must or should. You must study well, otherwise you will never understand trigonometry. That is compound sentence. In compound sentence, you can use or, otherwise, or else. There are 3 coordinating conjunction. You can use any one. So you must study well, otherwise you will never understand trigonometry. Then we'll change into simple sentence. In case of, if you follow the rules, you can easily change it. First you have to use in case of. Next, what is the possessive adjective of you? Your. After possessive adjective, not. Verb plus ing. Study. So, studying. In case of you are not studying well, you will never understand trigonometry. That is simple sentence. In case of possessive adjective, not, and verb plus ing. Verb plus ing means non-finite verb. In case of you are not studying well, you will never understand trigonometry. Simple sentence. Next, third one. He must run fast or else he will not win the match. He must run fast or else he will not win the match. Must is here or else. So it is compound sentence. How do you change into simple sentence? In case of. We can follow the rules. In case of. Then what is the possessive adjective of he? Is. He is a pronoun. When you change into possessive adjective, is. And after that, not. Then verb plus ing. What is the main verb? Run. So running. In case of is not running fast, he will not win the match. That is simple sentence. Can you understand simple sentence? In case of is not running fast, he will not win the match. When you change into simple sentence, you should write very carefully. Then how do you change into complex? Unless he runs fast. Runs. Because subject is third person singular present tense. So compulsory we have to add verb plus s. Unless he runs fast, he will not win the match. One more type is there. If he does not run fast, he will not win the match. There are 2 formats in complex sentence. Unless he runs fast, he will not win the match. Complex sentence. Or if he does not run fast, he will not win the match. So which one is very easy to you? You can follow it. Either unless type or if not type. Example 4. Unless you save money, you can't go on vacation. So unless is there, so definitely it is complex sentence. So how do you change into compound? You must save money. You must save money, or you can't go on vacation. You must save money or you can't go on vacation. Compound sentence. You can use either must or should. You should save money. That also correct. Simple sentence. In case of. Then possessive adjective, you means you are not. Main verb, save, so saving. In case of you are not saving money, you can't go on vacation. That is simple sentence. Unless you save money, you can't go on vacation. You must save money or else otherwise you can't go on vacation. In case of you are not saving money, you can't go on vacation. Next sentence, you must wear a coat otherwise you will feel cold. You must wear a coat otherwise you will feel cold. Must otherwise. So it is compound sentence. Simple sentence, in case of you are not wearing, because wear it is a main verb. If you add ing, wearing. In case of you are not wearing a coat, you will feel cold. That is simple sentence. When you change into complex, unless you wear a coat, you will feel cold. Another type, if you don't wear a coat, you will feel cold, complex. So both the sentences are complex. You can use either unless type or if not type. But better you can use unless type. It is very easy to convert. Dear students, I have given some homework questions. You can do it yourself. Unless you come with us, you will stay home. Change into compound and simple. You must buy a ticket or you can't win the lottery. Change into simple and complex. In case of her not finishing her homework, she cannot go out. Change into complex and compound. If you don't accept the offer, you will regret it later. Compound and simple. Unless you study, you cannot pass. Change into compound and simple. You should stop smoking or you will be seriously ill. Change into complex and simple. Unless he pays up, we will be in real trouble. Change into compound and simple. He must go to the bank. He must go to bank or else he will not get the check. Change into complex and simple. In the event of his not writing the test, he will not get good marks. Change into complex and compound. Dear students, so far we have completed 3 rules. Rule number 1, contrast ideas. The sentences are based on contrast meaning. Rule number 2, condition positive. The sentences are based on condition positive. Rule number 3, condition negative. Sentences are giving condition negative meaning. So you can go through the rules once. After that, try to change homework questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I'll clarify your doubts at any time. We will see the next rule in next class. Thank you, students.